Hello everyone, I am Cleverfly, and this column Cleverfly's advice. And advice to you today: limit your daily tasks. Just stick with 3 tasks you want to achieve today. Keep asking yourself, do I really need to do this today? The best to-do list set you on the right direction each day and help you focus on the tasks that are most important. With the right strategies, a to-do list can help you achieve large goals too. It's important that you love the app or notebook you use for your to-do list, otherwise you might not stick with it. While there are many benefits to putting your to-do list into an app, there is nothing wrong with paper. If paper works you great. Likewise, a simple spreadsheet or word processing documents is fine too. Use the tool that's right for you. You shouldn't have just one to-do list. You should have a few lists that cover the major categories of your life, such as work tasks, personal to-dos, and household chores. Having more than one list helps you focus. When you are at work, you don't want to be distracted by your personal list. When you are at home, you don't want to be burdened thinking about your work's responsibilities. I hope this may help you. Please comment on the console, click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my helpful advice from Cleverfly. Good luck!